Guys, it's your girl Jan and welcome back to another YouTube video. Today, as you can see, I have two beautiful guests, my sisters. This is my older sister Jana and this is my older sister Jana. She's the middle one. And today we'll be doing a challenge. As you can see in the title below, we'll be doing the who is most likely to challenge. So guys, please stick around and bye guys. First question is, who's most likely to forget someone's birthday or anniversary? Jana, fox. Fox. Next question. Who's most likely to be close to their parents? Next question. Who's most likely to be sleepy?
Sleepy? This one hard. What? Me?
Yeah.
What? You sleep the most when you're
True. Alright. Next one. Who's most likely to be impatient?
Yes.
Yeah, next. Next question. Who's most likely to fall whilst walking?
Yes. Just a what? Clumsy.
Next one. Who's most likely to laugh at the wrong moment? Or the worst moment? Or the wrong moment? At a wrong moment.
Me?
Jana.
For me and me. Like just me.
I think Jana. I gonna laugh at the wrong moment.
Okay. Go ahead.
Next question. Who's most likely to be a flirt? That one nearly obvious.
Sad.
Next one. Who's most likely to get married first?
Ready?
What?
Bitches. Wanna think the wanna self do. I mean engaged.
Something here that said me.
Oh, Jana engaged.
Alright, everybody just want to get married. That's everybody. Alright. Next one. Who's most likely to marry a celebrity?
I'm already married to a celebrity. Bitch, stop laughing.
Come. Next question. Who's most likely to listen to classical music? Me? Who will listen to classical music?
I think
Jana thinks me. You can actually listen to classical music and study. Next one. Who's most likely to always be happy? John? Okay. That's our mother in the background, by the way, guys. Next one. Who's most likely to be a fan of Star Wars?
You?
Hey guys, Jana didn't come to my mind, but it take long to pick up the paper because I that say, listen, nobody don't like Star Wars. But Jana likes Star Wars. Next question. Who's most likely to skydive?
I've been saying it.
Wait, alright guys, next time we're gonna put them up on.
Oh yes.
You?
Actually wanted to do it.
I wanted to do it on my birthday.
Here then, jeez.
No, it's true. No, honestly.
Next one,
Money's got enough money to waste.
No, I think Jana said
In terms of fear,
I
am fearless.
Yeah. I think Jana more
Alright.
adventurous in that sense. Next question. Who's most likely? No, that one is too funny. Who's most likely to have kids first?
Oh, we all
Honestly, no. Yeah. That's
But if
what-
it was
we
in
never,
high school,
if it was
I'd be the answer.
yeah, Jana would be the answer. Like if I didn't have one already.
Alright. Who's most likely to be a stripper?
You know this man.
Alright, next one. Who's most likely to have an ugly prom date?
This one. Woo, child. Ready? One.
Ready? Jana, prep for that one here. Go. What, Jana?
Well,
A prom
even after
date.
high school is
A prom, you know.
Prom
High
day.
school. Alright, next question. Alright. Who's most likely to accidentally kill someone?
Whoa.
Why would you do that?
Accidentally.
Accidentally kill someone.
Accidentally.
Accident.
Alright, who's most likely to spend all their money on something stupid? No one is ready. You never think that one, Jana.
You know.
Who's most likely to get a stalker?
Janan.
Next question. Who's most likely to be hungry 24/7?
No,
So all them always hungry. True. Jana always hungry. But no. Alright. Who's most likely to drop their phone after they buy them? Or bought them? That's supposed to be bought. But yeah. True. Next one. Who's most likely to have the most piercings?
We all know.
Piercings. Who's most likely to give all their money to charity? By the way, guys, you will see her charity in the description box below. Next question. Who's most likely to take more selfies?
All of it.
Next question, true.
Was
All
that
of
Jana?
it. Jana always a take
Was that
selfie.
Jana?
Fresh
I'm
yo.
really post pictures like that.
Mirror.
Alright, who's most likely to be the best at math?
Yeah.
Me outside completely.
And for the final question, guys, who's most likely to worry about small things? Jana.
What?
Yes,
Jana
Jana.
actually finds out.
True.
That's true.
Yeah, I think you don't worry about small stuff. Yeah, two of them are they're warriors.
Big stuff.
Anyways, guys, let's wrap this challenge up. I hope you guys really did enjoy our video, and please go subscribe to this one's nail channel. I don't know if she made it yet, but the description, the link will be in the description as soon as she gets her page. And this is her IG, please go follow her. And this is her IG, please go follow her. Until next time, it's your girl Jan. Bye guys.
Bye.